Last week, a single milestone dropped that guaranteed six-figure coding careers will be gone in the next couple of years. Here's the proof. Before we jump in, subscribe for more daily AI news. So last week, Cursor, the AI coding tool that lets you build entire apps just by talking to it, hit 1 million people using it every single day. Because right now, thousands of people who have never written a line of code in their entire lives are launching real businesses that make thousands of dollars per month, sometimes in a single afternoon. They type a normal sentence, go do something else, and come back to a fully working app with logins, payments, dashboards, the whole thing. A surprising number of those apps are already pulling in serious money. Meanwhile, startups are quietly replacing entire coding teams with one or two people whose only job is to click, yes, that looks good, before hitting deploy. Big companies are running the same numbers and realizing they can slash huge chunks of their engineering budget without losing speed. Quick side note, this crazy AI tool I've found is an all-in-one platform that gives you every top chat model, every top image generator, and every top video generator all in one place. And it's just $10 a month. They've also got this artifact feature that lets you preview all your generations side by side. And then there's the Deep Agent. It can do seriously complex stuff on its own, like build full PowerPoints, code simple websites, and write research reports, whatever you need. And you can get all of that for just $10 a month. That's it. Way cheaper than paying for each tool separately. Definitely check it out after this video. Let's get back into it. People earning $4, $5, even $600,000 a year are panicking. They spent 10 years becoming experts, and now complete beginners are outshipping them with cheap subscriptions. And it's only going to get worse. People are already chaining these tools together so AI can click buttons, fill forms, and publish everything all by itself. That means anything that used to take 6 experienced developers around 6 months can now be done in a single weekend, and by no human at all. If you've ever had an idea for an app and thought, oh, I can't code, this is the biggest opportunity of your life. You don't need a degree, you don't need to grind algorithms, you don't need investors to pay a team. You just need an idea and the ability to describe it clearly. But if you're a highly paid coder right now, this is getting serious and the technology will only get better. Writing perfect code by hand is no longer the golden ticket. The new golden ticket is knowing what to ask for, catching mistakes fast, and shipping before anyone else. Cursor hitting 1 million daily users isn't just a company win. It's the moment the entire software industry changed forever. The old rules are dead. The new rule is simple. Ship fast, ship often. If you've tried vibe coding or using AI tools like Cursor, comment below and let me know your thoughts. Is vibe coding really going to take engineers' jobs?